It's so fucking hot in this house. Let's make a purple Decora fit. Side note, although like purple is one of my favorite colors, I don't always have a lot of purple stuff because I really like pastel. Favorite shade of purple is lavender. And every time I try to order something in lavender or get lavender, it's always out. But there's always pink stuff, so I end up getting the pink. So everyone thinks my favorite color is pink, but it's actually lavender. I know I have some clothes in lavender because some of my work clothes are in lavender, so let's see what we can work with. I have on my shirt. This skirt, I pulled it up some. Well, I pulled it up a lot. I have on, this is a shirt. I just pulled the shirt all the way down like a skirt. And then this is an actual skirt. I'm not sure if I have enough accessories to do purple, but we're gonna see if we have enough accessories. We also have this bra. I've worn it on the outside before. Let me see how it looks. Actually, I think I'll leave these straps down to double strap bra. All right, we have to get creative with our layers. Technically, I am layered. You can barely tell it's a bra. Barely. Totally forgot that I'm still wearing a bonnet and I need something to do with my hair. Oh, that feels good. Oh, refreshing! I have an idea, and you're probably not gonna like it. I brung the bath bombs out. Wait, these are not bath bombs. I brung the bath loofahs out. Look, they're the perfect color. Don't come at me. Let's see what else I can do. Alright, let's see what other hair clips I have. I'm hoping that I have enough purple to make it look like it's Decora. I am literally finding everything purple except for hair clips. It's kind of making me upset. But we're gonna keep looking. I am finding everything except hair clips, which I need right here. So I'm gonna give up on the hair clips for now, just for now, and just start putting on accessories. All right, I found some arm warmers. Okay, I found an arm warmer. Blah, blah, blah. I found an arm warmer. An arm warmer. Arm warmer. Arm warmer. Arm warmer. Or hand oil, whatever you want to call it. Found another one, which I think has purple or lavender in it. This one was made out of a legging, a child legging, and this one was made out of, I think, baby leggings? I don't know. Or socks? Yeah, baby leggings, I think, or baby leg warmers. I don't know. Mismatched purple earrings. I changed arm warmers. I found a purple glitter one. I found a purple glitter one and a, what do you call this again? What is this called? Fishnet. Fishnet. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I think we're almost done. I'm so mad I cannot find my purple socks, not even matching ones. These are the only purple socks I could find. These are the only purple socks I could find, so this is what I'm just gonna have to work with. I actually ended up using one of these and putting it over the socks, so hopefully it looks a little better. I still feel like some stuff is missing, so I think I'm gonna try to add some pins. Nice denim vest. And I know it's not all purple, but it has purple in it. So I feel like it should still count. I don't know. Oh, duh. Makeup. I think these stickers will come off. I'm always having trouble taking them off. It's not going to stay in the heat. Now, why did y'all let me forget rings and necklaces? Completely forgot about this guy. Let's add it. Yes, I definitely need something right there. I'm so glad this doesn't have to go over my head. These look like a lavender. It's missing something though. Boyfriend got this for me. And I have this purple doll case, this rat's purple doll case. I'm gonna use as a purse. What do you think? This is our purple Decora. What color should I do next?